Okay, so we are going to start by graphing our inequalities in our TI-Nspire. Since we are graphing, obviously, we are going to open a graphing page right here. Now, every time that you do this, immediately you will go to f of x equals. So we do not want an f of x equals, we have an inequality. So what we're going to do is press delete and go straight to relation. Here we are going to type our first inequality, which is y, control equals for my inequality symbol, greater or equal than negative 5x plus 3. We're going to put the arrow down. You can see how it graphs. But now I'm going to put my second one, which is y, control equals for my inequality symbol, greater than negative 2. So here we can see in red our second inequality, everything on top is shaded. In blue we can see our first inequality, everything on this side is shaded. But I want you to notice this. By hovering over, you can double check that this is actually dotted and this is solid. Okay? Since our intention is to put this graph in on paper, what we are going to do is press Menu, View, Grid, and use the line grid so we can see exactly which are the dots that are inequalities. I'm going to move this out of the way. Touch, so we know how to graph them in the paper. So the second one, the one in red, is pretty easy. Why? Because I can see that it's a dotted line right at y negative 2, and it's just a horizontal line. Everything on top is shaded. But for the other one, the blue one, we need to make sure that we are graphing this properly. Let me get this out of the way. So the first point that I know that it touches perfectly is the point 0, 3. So I'll put that in my paper. And then the second one is the 1, negative 2. So this will be the points that I use so I can graph on paper accurately. Okay, so after looking at our calculator, we can start graphing our lines, inequalities. So the first point that I know that it was given to me was 0, 3. So that means that right there, it's a point for my line. The second one that we got was 1, negative 2, right here. So I put my second point right there. Then my third point that I got out of my Inspire was negative 2, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right there. Right there. So after doing that, I know that this was supposed to be a linear function, a solid line. And that it was shaded on top. So all this is the area that was shaded. Now my second one was a y greater than negative 2. So that's easy because that's a special case. And we saw that it went to negative 2 for y. And right there, it was a dotted line. And everything on top was shaded. So let's not forget that this right here will be our double shaded area. So if I need to check the point negative 5, comma 5, I go negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's definitely anal. Then I have the point negative 2, positive 2. So that might be a solution for the red one, but not the blue one. So again, it's a no, because it should be a solution for both. Then I have my negative 1, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is right on the double shaded area. So that's a yes. Then at last, we have our last point, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's definitely in the double shaded area. And that